What is going on, my friends? So I've been traveling a ton the later part of this year, and I got to do something that I haven't done in a very, very long time. I love teaching in person, so I had a chance to go up to Logan headquarters, Blackstone headquarters in Logan, Utah, and teach a steak class. It was like a steak 101, just all the fun tips and tricks. And I want to show you guys some of the things we talked about there that we haven't talked about on the show, and I didn't want all of you to miss out, so let me show you how it went. These are pro fun moves. We're like, what? Tiny little nicks. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight. It doesn't have to be deep or even. I'm just basically nicking up the surface to create all these little nooks and crannies, little shallow nooks and crannies. This is gonna give us little channels of flavor for both the seasoning to stick and stay, and also for the fat that we're cooking in to make these little crispy edges, these little crispy nibbles. We're gonna season now and we're gonna season later, but don't be afraid to be generous with the thicker cut like this. So go ahead and pass the seasonings back as soon as you guys are done. So we're looking for total coverage, total coverage. If we start cooking a steak too low of a temperature, the moisture is gonna boil before the protein starts to caramelize, which gives us a gray, weepy, not pretty steak. That's why we wanna go fast and furious. Let's go ahead and add our steak into that oil. If you haven't added oil to the high heat side, go ahead and add a touch of oil. And use your glove hand and give it a press. We're going chefy. Get it nice and flat. If you want to, you can take one of the little grease cup. See the little grease traps we have? You can throw one of these with some butter right onto your griddle top. So you could put the butter in here, put the garlic in here, put your rosemary in here, and just let it start simmering directly on the griddle top. The garlic and the herbs in the butter, it creates something more wonderful than what they were before by themselves. That bubbly garlic is straight up magic if you've never had it. You medium, medium rare. Where do you guys like your steaks? You're well done. Medium, medium. Where do you guys like your steaks? Medium rare. So hold your hand out and just close your fist. Don't squeeze. Now do a half strength grip. That's medium. And now a full strength grip. That's well done. So go ahead and fill your steak. If you want to, the New York strip has that fat side. If you wanted to, you could turn your steak on the side and cook the fat side a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and pull our steaks. Do you guys like steak sauce? Anybody?
These steaks don't need it, right?
Ketchup.
Wow. Ketchup? On your steak. All right. There's a way to handle this. Everyone calm down. So let's cut our big steak right down the center and see how we did. That is a good looking plate. Your cook is great. It's like coast to coast medium. That is stunning. It got really quiet in here. Everybody's just eating. Every single one of you killed it. You did great. That's all I got. Let me know in the comments, what would you like to learn about in the future? Let me know if you love it, like it, share it, do all the things, all the stuff, all the social media stuff. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you all in the next episode.